Here's a question from one of my viewers. They asked if they had a heart with the image of a dog, how would they get rid of the part that is on the outside here? I'll show you exactly how I would do that. I am going to right click on this and duplicate that heart. Now I'm going to turn off the dog so I just work with the hearts. I could try to visually line them up, or I could select both of them and use align to center them right on top of each other. All right. Now I select one of the hearts, hold down my shift key, and select the dog. I'm going to click on slice. So now when I click on the dog, I can click contour and remove all of the pieces that are outside of the heart. That one little piece is getting hard to pick. Try putting just that one little straight piece there. There we go. And now I can take all of this and use weld. And that joins it all together into one piece.